Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. I brought a quick video about MacBook. If you have a MacBook and you have to have experience with your MacBook screen go to sleep mode really quick after you leave it alone, or after sleep mode it required password immediately. Then you want to change those settings. So in this video we will learn how you can change those two settings. We will learn how to change your screen sleep time and how you can change your password required time. Stay with me. Hey friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. So now let's first work on your screen sleep mode. If you have a MacBook and you have experienced your MacBook screen or display go to sleep mode really quick after you leave it alone, then we're gonna change that time. So what we have to do is you have to go to on your MacBook screen on the left hand corner on the top is the Apple logo over here. You're gonna click on the Apple logo and we're gonna click on system preference, or either way all the way bottom in the menu bar you can click on setting. So we're gonna click on Apple logo system preference. It will take a couple seconds. It will open this window, and this window we don't have that many options, so we're gonna click over here. You're gonna see it says show all. We're gonna click on and you will see a lot of options over here, and this option we're gonna go over here. It says energy saver. So we're gonna click on this lamp 2 times and you will see here it says computer sleep and display sleep. So basically you can select both how long you want to. Display sleep is basically the bottom one, how long you want to have your display go to sleep mode. If you put it 15 minutes, then if you leave your MacBook alone for 15 minutes, after 15 minutes this MacBook display will go to sleep. And top of it is computer sleep. So basically what you have to do, you have to have a computer sleep time more than display sleep, because if your display sleep time is more and your computer gonna basically sleep, it's gonna put your hard drive to sleep possibly, and then it gonna go earlier, your display gonna be go off earlier. So basically you can put this one at 15 minutes or whatever time you need. You can change your screen sleep mode by changing these two options. Simply you're gonna slide minimum or higher. As you can see, if I go to low, you even can do it. You have to have your computer sleep time more than display sleep time. So that was if your MacBook screen go to sleep really quick after you leave it alone. Now let's move to the different setting where we have a password after sleep mode. When you try to use your MacBook, a required password. So how you can use, how you can change that setting. Basically what you want to do, you don't want to have a password immediately. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to security and privacy. You double click, it will open this window. At this window over here you see a tick mark, it's a required password immediately. So in my case, if my screen go to sleep and I try to wake it up, I try to click on any key, I have to put password immediately. Doesn't matter how many seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, I have to have a password. You can change over here, you can say 5 seconds, but to change this one you need your MacBook password. You need to give them access to change it. Now I already changed to 5 seconds. You can do 1 minute, 15, 1 hour, 8 hour, whatever time. So what basically gonna happen if you put 5 seconds and your screen go to sleep mode, we gonna do here, gonna sleep mode. On screen record, when I put my laptop on a sleep mode, I stop recording screen. So we're gonna do once again, you go over here, click on a sleep, sleep. If I click now, I don't need a password. So I don't need a password for 5 seconds. Now let's go back on my screen recording. So after you start using your MacBook after sleep time, you wake it up for 5 seconds, you don't need a password. But if it's more than 5 seconds, your display go to sleep mode for 5 seconds or more, then you need a put your password again. So you can adjust your sleep mode, password time requirement over here, and as well you can use your change your password over here. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.